So hello everyone, welcome back to Codeforce AI, where code meets intelligence. So in our last video we discussed about how to analyze, debug and optimize the code so that it can be production ready. So now this time we will be going more advanced into the things. So in this video you will see to how to generate the code using an image. And why we are doing this is because sometimes we get some Figma images or wireframes to create the components. So either we can manually write the code or we can ask AI to do that. So today we will do like an image to code thing. So we have a contact form just like this. Okay. So what we are going to do, we will ask cursor to create the similar kind of UI with working functionality to create a contact in the backend. So I will copy this image. Let's open the cursor and we will paste the image here. And we will ask create a LWC for the image above, which should store the contact in backend and use SLDS. And let's see. So now it created a to do for itself. So it is saying first I will create the contact form HTML. It will create the Apex class as well, meta file, CSS file, JavaScript file. So these are the required things and it will go step by step on those. So you can see it created the HTML file and let's explore how it created. So it is using lightning icons, it is using SLDS wherever it can apply. There are methods and a lot of things. So we will see like how it works. Now if we go to this file, in JS also if you can see like it is creating all sort of required functions, even the toasts for the better user experience. Now I think it is creating the CSS file as well just to mess with the image UI. And if you have any questions regarding this video or like my previous videos, you can put in comments. I will definitely try to answer. So you can see it created the complete CSS file also. Now it created one meta file also. So here you can see like whatever the targets are there, you can configure or change according to yourself and the requirement as well. Because now right now if you see it is making them allowed to put on app page, record page, lightning home page and some community defaults. And now it is trying to work on the Apex class as well and the meta. So we can check the Apex class as well, save contact message, get accounts. So it is trying to build a relationship also like to getting the accounts and those kind of things. Okay. And I will do keep all. And first we will deploy the class, then we will deploy the LWC. So from here contact form, definitely HTML and deploy it. So now it is giving some error, so we will ask cursor itself to fix the error for us. So just copy paste and fix the, or I will say just fix. Even with a single word it will try to understand like the issue. So yeah, so it said this, so I will do keep all and I will remove this manually, because sometimes we also need to analyze. If it is not making it correct, we can make it correct and we will try to redeploy the things. So now it is deployed. So let's go to our org. I will do the edit page and here is the contact form available. So I will put, so I just placed it here. So it created some sort of form like this. We can ask like further to reduce the height, weight or whatever, but just see, we will again look at our image also. Let's go back. Yeah, so it created like left side, right side, font sizes, even the colors and everything it tried to match. So let's see it side by side. So see like it tried like even the icons, it put like some other icon, because there is a possibility that all the icons are not available in our SLDS. So we might need to use some other libraries or static resource so to get that. Okay. And it did add something more, but if we don't need it, we can ask cursor that I don't require this thing. So just remove it. So it will remove it for you. And you can see like for because SLDS don't have social icons. So for now it just put like this. But you can change accordingly. But it tried like almost I will say 80% of work is done without writing a single line of code. Okay. Now I will do testing of this. So I will say this fine. I will say Amrit at the rate yopmail.com. Yopmail is a like instant and temporary email service. You don't need to like use your email address, and for testing purpose you can use Yopmail. And I said hello and said I'm not robot and send message. Button definitely looks ugly, so we will ask cursor to fix it and we'll try to send the message. So looks like some error is there. We can check the console little quick. So there is no error. So we'll open the debug console. So I will do again send message. So it looks like some other sort of error is there. So we'll ask AI send message not working because there are several problems in the JavaScript controller. So I can see several issues with JavaScript controller. It is saying it has several issues into it. And we will also add one more thing. Let this process finish. So what can we see from here? Extra height is there, so we don't need that extra height. Button looks ugly, so we'll ask that also, and we don't need this account, so we will ask that as well, and the salutation also. But I think it's better to have the salutation, it doesn't harm anything. So I will do let it finish first, so we can click keep all. Yeah, so now it tried to fix all the JS related issue. Also it updated the HTML file as well. So we will do keep all from here and try to redeploy and retest. Yeah. So if you see, we'll try to refresh the page. Yeah. So now we have salutation, first name, last name, email, and these things. But I will ask three things now. So what I will ask, height of the form is much larger than it should be. Second is don't need account lookup. Button UI is not good, and we will attach the video as well. So see image. So these are the very basic things that I noticed while viewing that form, so that doesn't bother us. So yeah, we started removing all the code related to account because we said we don't need the account thing. Also remove that account field from here as well. So two things are done: reduce the height, remove account lookup, update the button styling. So now it will go to CSS file to update the button styling. Once that is done, we will again do a keep all and redeploy and retest. So yeah, in JS you can see like it removed all the account related. Yeah. So now everything is done. So we will do keep all and deploy. So it's deployed. Let's get back to the org and we'll do refresh. It made it more ugly than before. Button look more ugly now. You can let's just put whatever you feel. It's that easy. So we will ask. So it will try to update the submit button CSS to make it better. But yeah, AI sometimes works very perfect and sometimes very pathetic. So we keeps on checking, testing and debugging the AI developed code. That is for sure. Otherwise it can do blunders in production environment. So never ever move the code without thorough testing. And we will redeploy. So let's have it for now. We can ask further, but let's do it complete at the rate yahoo.com. So Yahoo is a service for instant temporary emails if you don't want to put your personal email addresses. And I will say hello. I'll say I'm not robot. And so previously it was disabled. As I clicked I am not robot. You can integrate your captcha here, but for now I'm skipping that step. So I will say send message. So it says some error occurred. So we can definitely go and check what was the error. Without debugging, I can't say anything. So insert failed. Got it. So if you have followed my like previous videos, we write a trigger on a contact that doesn't allow a duplicate with a combination of first name and last name. And it says like that same sort of contact already exists. So we will do Amrit Jain new and I will say send. So now it says it is successfully done. So I will go here under contacts and you see Amrit Jain new is there. So we will just open it to see if the information what we filled. So definitely I filled this Yopmail ID and this is contact form message hello. So it's a very well written message. So from where it came, so it came from contact form message and the message was hello. And here goes the name. So what it did is Amrit Jain and new in the last name. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, you can definitely change the things, the UI, the functionality according to your requirement. This was just an overview that how the cursor help us to generate the UI from an image itself. We just ask convert this image to something which can be like worked on a Salesforce environment and it just works like a boom. Yeah, I would say like 80% work is done in minutes, but rest 20% you can just go and check and ask cursor to fix those things. So, or you can do manually also, but it will save you hours of time. So yeah, that's it for today and we'll see you in next video and hope you like my content and if so, just like this video, share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks, stay connected.